Hey kids, ready to join our dragons on a chilly adventure? Follow our brave red dragon, wise blue dragon, and swift green dragon as they explore the mysterious frozen valley. One winter morning, the dragons heard tales of a hidden valley where ancient secrets lay frozen under layers of ice. The wise blue dragon explained that the frozen valley was said to hold a treasure frozen for centuries, waiting for those brave enough to find it. The dragons flew into the icy winds, soaring over snowy hills and through flurries of snowflakes, undeterred by the cold.